Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to my Facebook Live. Heavy rain is about to come. You know, heavy rain coming soon. Okay, so luckily I wasn't planning on going nowhere today. So was planning on staying home. But feel like it's drizzling out here. Okay, so so I must say, y'all. I mean, it's gonna be some bad weather today. Maybe the rain will clear up, you know. But who knows what'll happen, you know? I don't know what's gonna happen. We don't know what's gonna happen. Okay? So all right, so anyway, and it's drizzling a little bit while I'm on this balcony. Yep, yep. Do this for a show. All right, so and by the way, today my cousin Ricky's birthday, today, April the 21st, 2023, you know. And it's Ricky and Ryan's birthday. Happy birthday, Ricky and Ryan. Okay. I'm sorry it have to be bad weather on your birthday. It's not like that I never had bad weather on my special day, because I predicted it was gonna rain on my birthday one day, and it did. you know? So, Rick, if you're watching this, you're probably sitting in my living room watching this video by now. It's already uploaded to YouTube. If it's not uploaded to YouTube, oh well. you know. Okay, but well, it's drizzling right now. Okay, so cumulonimbus is moving in above the city, I should say, bringing raindrops and stuff. Thank God it ain't gonna be no lightning. I hope it don't be no lightning. That's a scary thing, lightning. Okay, yep, serious lightning. That's very dangerous. Okay. All right, so anyway, it's drizzling right now, so I'll be back when the rain fall heavily. Okay, all right, see you later.